Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a quick little haul with you. So we're just going to jump right in. First item I want to share with you is actually a gift from my mom. She found two of these at a Five Below. She gave my sister one, she gave me one. I just adore it. I don't even know if I'm going to take it out of the box. At Five Below they had these Nightmare Before Christmas cosmetic brush sets for $5, and there looks to be like a blush brush, crease brush, an eyeshadow brush, and an angled brush. So you get Jack Skellington, and you get some Ghost, Sally, and some spiders. How cute are these? They're adorable, right? Well, thank you, Mom. And then I picked up some stuff at the Dollar General. I recently hauled some more Believe Beauty nail polishes, and I did pick up some more. I just got 3 more, and I did notice this time on the receipt, these were $1.25 each, so no longer $1. Just want to put that out there. I'm going to start with one that is a beautiful yellow. This is not coming off true to color on camera, but it is called Golden Girl. And it is a beautiful, like, nacho cheese kind of shade. It's a bit darker than what it's coming off on camera. And I actually already own this one in my collection. And if you don't want to go by nacho cheese yellow, this is a sunflower or mustard yellow. But a spicy mustard or a honey mustard kind of color. Anyways. And I do a lot of sunflower nails and stuff like that, so I don't mind to own this one again. It's just that when you have a polish collection as extensive as mine, over 800 polishes, sometimes you accidentally buy 2. But I do like this one, so I'm going to keep it. And I got 2 really pretty fall colors here. Actually, I think these could go for spring as well. This one is such a pretty pink. It does lean on the peachy side. Very beautiful. This one is called Perfectly Paired. Really beautiful, and I think that this is a good transition polish for fall. Transitioning into fall. You know, we are already in fall, but I just really loved this shade. So I picked up that one, and the last one is like a really pretty mauve pink or dusty pink. So pretty. I love this one too. I was drawn to this one because I know that this is a shade my nanny would have been drawn to, and she would have probably picked this up for herself. So I was like, maybe we can do some pretty fall nail art with this one. It's called Currently Curious. These are the polishes. So pretty. I did pick up one other thing at the Dollar General, and I've been wanting this item again for a while. I believe this was $3.25. Check my receipt. Yes, $3.25, and it's the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails, the nail clinic in a bottle. I know hardeners aren't always good to consistently use on your nails, but however, my nails are getting longer, and I just kind of wanted to add some more strength to them while I'm keeping them long. And I remember always loving this product, and I'll give you a quick backstory. When I was working at Frisch's Big Boy when I was 16 years old, this lady came in and she had really long, beautiful nails. And I asked her, are those your real nails? You know, because back then I was getting acrylics and I was a terrible nail biter. She was like, no, these are my natural nails. And I was like, well, what do you do? How do you keep them long, you know? And she said that she used Sally Hansen Hard as Nails on her nails, and I've been periodically buying this product to use on my nails since the lady told me about it. And that has been, and I'm 36 now, so it's been a very long time since I talked to that lady about this nail hardener. So I'm excited to have a new bottle of this, It's always good, and I'll continue to repurchase this periodically. It's not a long-term solution for me because hardeners will definitely stiffen your nails and harden them to a point where when you bang them into stuff, they'll just start chipping. So yeah, well, I just thought that would be a fun little thing to share with you guys. And that has been my Dollar General and a gift from my mom haul. Just real quick, hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.